Podcast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar paused in its post-FOMC uptrend on Friday after traders booked profits before the weekend. The currency gained underlying support after Fitch upgraded the US outlook from negative to stable. The greenback ended the day 1.3792 to the euro and 102.26 to the yen. Today's data includes preliminary PMIs from market, which are expected to fall slightly to 56.5, and the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which is expected to show 0.1 rise in February. Next, to the euro. Concerns about how sanctions against Russia might impact on the Eurozone economy, combined with increasingly dovish talk from ECB officials, weighed on euro on Friday. The single currency ended the day 1.3792 to the dollar and 141.05 to the yen. Today's data includes manufacturing and services PMI for the region in March, with the former expected to show a pullback to 53. British pound. The pound fell on Friday following the release of higher-than-expected public sector borrowing figures, which threw into doubt whether the government would meet deficit targets for the end of the financial year. Sterling ended the day 1.6484 to the dollar and 0.8364 to the euro. Later tonight sees the release of nationwide house prices, which are expected to show a 9.6% rise in March. Japanese yen. The yen continued to rise on Friday after recent commentary from BOJ officials in which they dismissed the need for more stimulus to offset significant sales tax rise in April. The Japanese currency ended the day 102.26 to the dollar and 168.58 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3845 with targets at 1.377 and 1.3745 in extension. Above 1.3845, which will look for further upside with 1.388 and 1.39 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.652 with targets at 1.647 and 1.643 in extension. Above 1.652, which will look for further upside with 1.658 and 1.6605 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 102.35 with targets at 102.85 and 103.15 in extension. Below 102.2, which will look for further downside with 102 and 101.75 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.